With the first fog of September, we start the grape harvest. Today, September the 12th, is the time for the grape harvest. But how you can decide if it's the right time or not? You need to check the sugar inside your grape. Now with the refractometer I will check it. Should be more than 21, so between 21 to 26, depends on the kind of wine you want to make it. Let's check it. The result is 22.2 bricks. One grape is not enough, so now we will check different grapes around the vineyard to know the average of the sugar inside the grapes, and after we can harvest our grapes. 22.20 bricks, 20.27 bricks, 21.80 and 22.40.